Hey friends, Chad here, coming at you from Charlottesville, Virginia, where I'm currently on a writing retreat helping to produce the second version of Ask Powerful Questions, Create Conversations That Matter, that we're gonna pack with a whole bunch more stats and data and research and science that underpins this methodology and framework of asking powerful questions that we share. And I'm here today to share a story about grabbing coffee this morning where I'm leaning in to pay and the cashier breaks out in song. 4 seconds of just this passionate, heart-filled song. In the book we talk about following your natural, genuine curiosity and the power that can have. And so without even thinking about formulating a question or what I was gonna say, my reaction to hearing that song was, "Ooh, you're a singer?" And she looked up and she said, "When no one else is watching." And that turned into this little exchange, this little conversation about how she really would love to be a singer, but gets totally freaked out when she sings in front of people. And she's had chances to tour with all these groups in the area and sing, and she's kind of backed out because she's not quite confident enough or ready to jump into that. And so, it just reminded me of the power of sometimes really simple questions to incite action. So, taking that inspiration a little bit, I'm gonna allow it to incite my action. That conversation ended with us establishing some accountability and me saying, would you be willing the next time that an opportunity to sing in public falls into your lap, would you be willing to commit to it? Say yes without thinking too much about it, without worrying too much about what people think. And her face really lit up, and it was almost like she was waiting for somebody to give her a little nudge or a little kick. And we shook hands and she was like, yes, it's a deal, it's happening. So her action is I'm letting inspire my action a little bit. So it's lunchtime now, and I'm going to head back to that coffee shop with a gift. We've just got these really lovely redesigned We Engage cards. They're the card deck that has a photo on one side and a quote on the other. And I looked through the deck. There's a bunch of ways to use them in groups, but I looked through the deck and just picked out a quote that I felt like really resonated with where she was at. And so I'm gonna go back and hand her this, but right now I'm handing you this quote of, if you're creating anything at all, it's really dangerous to care about what people think. And so whatever your song is or your singing in public is, be that a new idea that you wanna create, or a business you wanna start, or a program you wanna run, or a class you want to teach, whatever that is for you right now, I would urge you and implore you to just for a moment create perhaps your own retreat, let go of what people think, because I think we're living in a world that needs your own creation and contribution a whole lot. We need to shift from this world of critics and consumers to this world of contributors and creators and connectors. Thanks for helping join that charge. My hope for you today is that you have an awesome day.